Hey guys, stay tuned if you want to hear how we were able to help our clients sell their house and get $25,000 over the asking price. Really good information here. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Bart Calvo here with Calvo Real Estate. So it's been some time since I've done a video. I apologize. A lot of stuff going on. We were on vacation in Spain. I did do some videos then. Hopefully you guys saw those. But anywho, wanted to talk about actually the sale that we just did. So first off, congratulations to our clients who just sold their house for way above what it's actually worth. So don't want to mention their names on this video because I will put this publicly and go onto YouTube, but wanted to share with you guys how we were able to get this sale. We actually got the house appraised for $410,000, and then what we were able to do is sell it for $435,000 for our client. So it was our listing. So I wanted to walk you through some of the steps that we did. And so this is the best way right now to sell a house. If you guys are looking to sell a house, make sure to contact us because again, this was extremely methodical the way we did it, and it was very, very effective. Okay, so the very first thing what you want to do, of course, is to make sure that the house shows well, and also get really good professional pictures. Luckily, I've been been doing photography for quite some time, so I do have all the right lenses and things like that. That we took some really good pictures, made it look very, very fancy, really, really luxury, and then we went ahead and marketed it. Also did a video too, so make sure you do a nice steady cam video and something that really showcases all the features of that property, okay? Then after you have all that content, right, don't put anything on the internet yet until you have it. When it goes live, you want it to make a huge impact on the people who are looking at it, okay? Especially right now, the reason why it's so good to do it this way is because the market there's not a lot of inventory on the market. So you want to make sure that when you come out onto the market, you're the one choice, at least for that price range, for your clients or for your buyers to choose from. And that's why you're going to start getting a bidding war, okay? So what we were able to do is do some analysis, see exactly what the house was actually worth, and we put it up for $410,000, which is what I thought it was worth. Sure enough, that's what it appraised for. Now, what did we sell it for? $435,000. Yeah. Far above what it was actually worth or what it was actually appraised for, okay? And the reason being is because what we did is we marketed it for 1 week straight, and we only held one open house. So with that open house, we had over 35 people come through it, tons of people looking at it, got a lot of interest, really generated that interest and sold all the little features of that house. Now, come Monday, we had multiple offers, and we went back to all of them, asked for their best and final offer, and even then negotiated even better to where we actually had the appraisal contingency removed. So what does that mean? A lot of times you can get an offer that's $435,000, but if the house is not worth that, well then they can ask for money off. But if you get that appraisal contingency removed on the front end, it's locked in and you're good to go. So we actually just closed it. Our clients are extremely happy, and of course we're very happy too that we were able to do this for our clients as well. Of course, the person who did buy it, they still are very happy because they got the house that they wanted and they won the bid over everybody else. If they didn't get it, someone else was gonna get it. So everybody got won, and I think this was a very, very successful transaction. And congratulations to our friends who did close on it. And of course, if you guys do have any real estate related questions, contact me or Lauren, and we'll be more than happy to answer those, okay? Look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye.